What is up, guys? So today we are doing Submail! Alright, so if you guys don't know what Submail is, we put the P.O. box in the description. Subscribers send us mail. We have no idea what it is. Sometimes it's gross, sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's useful, and sometimes it's just freaking awesome. And well, today we've acquired quite a few packages, and so as a crew, we're gonna open them up and have an amazing time. So who wants to start?
Jesse does.
Grubby?
I was thinking Steffi.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
Ladies
They
first.
say that, right?
And this one's got your name
I
on
want to
Okay, so a couple of these, a lot of these are actually new. One of them is actually pretty old. This one's been around for a little while.
This
Steffi's
one
finally
has
came down to open it up
here
because
for
it
a
says
long time. March 17th.
says her name on it.
Oh,
March 17th, 2020.
That's a long time.
All right, we try to be good with it, but you know things happen, all right? Don't cut yourself.
Did you just slap his butt? Nissan Skyline. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. It's like coming out
That is
of the
really
truck.
cool. Okay, hold on. There has to be a note. You got to read the note first. You know how it goes.
Steffi, open this gift. There is another inside it.
Oh, where's the
Look
note?
at the drawing of a cute little pineapple on a skateboard. To Jimmy from Dominic, 7-year-old. Dear Steffi, Jimmy, and the boys, my husband and I watch your videos and notice Steffi doesn't get anything in Submail. Check inside bags. One has an extra gift. The pineapple picture is for my 7-year-old who loves watching your channel. It is for both Steffi and Jimmy. Look how cute that is.
Love that. Right in the office that goes.
Yeah, we're gonna frame
right
that.
All right, open them up. Let's see what they sent.
Oh,
Ooh,
it's a double decker.
double one.
It's nice. Picasso.
Ooh.
What we got there, Steffi?
Cute. Little makeup bags. New York, Paris, London. Fancy. Ooh, another one.
Oh my God! You got enough makeup for all these?
Beautiful. I left my makeup bag here the other day. I have it all.
Facts.
Open this gift. There's a
Yeah, she got me. So, damn.
what?
All right, kid.
What am I missing?
Look at you, Steph. All the presents
Oh,
today.
pencil case.
Look how
Oh,
cute.
that's not a pencil case. It's an evening case. Clearly.
There we go.
Thanks, guys.
Oh,
Give her an ear infection.
It's not
Make sure
a
you
big
get the
haul.
grimy fingers.
My ears are so tiny that
Can
it's gonna.
we
take
talk
a-
about how Steph has infant ears?
Look
at him.
Bust down pineapple goes crazy.
Bad. Wait, hold on. What's the correct ear?
Not this one.
Yeah, no, you're doing it right. Oh, that's wrong.
Right?
This one.
Which one is that?
Ear piercing. It's that wrong one.
Is it the wrong one? Oh man, set up a failure.
see, I like that when they're prepared, right on top, ready to
It's a
go.
big one.
Jimmy and the
too.
gang.
Is DJ here?
No.
It was DJ's birthday yesterday, so guys, go on DJ's Instagram and wish him happy birthday.
It says right away, "What's up, boys? I hope DJ doesn't get this one." The 8th grade teacher in me doesn't want to put him through it.
That's so sad.
Oh, nice font.
It is nice fun. What is it?
That's
Helvetica. That's Helvetica for sure. I know a good Helvetica.
I had these spacers and spark plugs. Well, now we know what they are. We had these spacers and spark plugs laying around after I sold my 05 Impreza wagon, and they don't fit my new ride, Mark 7 GTI. So I couldn't let them go to waste. The plugs will fit your racks, but we all know the spark plugs don't last longer than the ring lens on a Subi, so not sure that's the best use. Luckily, they'll also fit KA's and Steph's Roadster. So I hope you can put them to good use somewhere. Love the content I've been following since RJ tried to shoot a bee in your garage while you were swapping the Red Sea.
Never forget.
That bee had it coming for him.
It was talking shit.
It was.
What'd you try to shoot the bee with?
A Glock.
A 9-year-old.
Speaking of, I flipped the script and said something for his weeb ass, and I hope he appreciates it. Much love to the whole gang. Keep up the great work. Brandon C. at Mass Mark 7 GTI.
I love you.
Let's see what we got. Let's see.
He's a weeb. It's true.
I
We got
want-
spacers.
5100 spacers. Who's got 5100?
None of us.
We'll probably own a car with
Oh,
5100
RJ.
eventually.
RJ.
Please tell me it's a mouse pad.
First of all,
The Dark Magician. Oh, I want it.
Yes.
I'm stealing it.
Please tell me it's a mouse pad.
Oh,
Yes. This is going right on my desk for the mouse
Fancy.
pad.
that's amazing.
Oh, this is fantastic.
If you guys didn't know, every time we ship out an order, we do throw a Pokemon card or a Yu-Gi-Oh card in there. So this is actually funny.
This is fire. Jesse, give me at least me.
Yo, Blue Eyes Toon Magician with the fusion card.
I got
Isn't
hooked.
it 3,000 right here?
Hooked.
Gangster.
I'm hanging these up in the office.
3,000, right?
Love this order.
What is?
Love it.
That was awesome. So now we're gonna let Brian do one.
This one's sealed with a kiss, so I think this one's for you.
What was that,
That's
Sophie?
not true.
Come on, it's for you.
And it says sealed with a kiss, and it also says support your local constant. Not sure what that means. Sup guys, my name's Caden, and I run this magazine supporting grassroots culture from SoCal. Thank you.
Good fonts
Nice
again.
work.
I want to ruin the print.
Ooh.
Hold on. Nobody look. Nobody look. All right. I opened the box. Oh, this thing's kind of dope. Look, 3 blue cars in a row.
Oh,
We got the bricks. We got the
BMW.
FC
Blue cars look
and,
so good. Wish Jimmy would do one.
nice.
Listen, this thing came all the way 3,000 miles away. You think I creased it? You saw the cover.
Sign me up.
Dude, I gotta say, I mean, props to you. Everyone knows that print is slowly or rapidly dying, and you're going for it. So props to you. I appreciate the high quality print. Dude, this is sick. Like, I feel like I'm reading a magazine in the 90s. I don't know about you guys, how young or old you are, but I grew up like getting car magazines every month, multiple
looking
subscriptions.
at the pictures.
It was the best thing, and then the internet came out, ruined it all for all of us. Oh my God, 1JZ, freaking Cressida.
A good font.
Dude,
usage.
good for you, man. Honestly, guys,
Wow.
There's a bunch of fonts all over the
everyone
place.
go.
It's a Miata. Look how cute it is.
All right, Steph. That's about 14 octaves too high.
That's our cue.
Volume 2 of Constant Mag.
Make fun of my
Everyone,
boys
Awesome.
some more.
Honestly. Oh, there we go.
That's
Check it
cute
out.
as
You guys
fuck.
want to see some more of this? Check it out.
he sent us some shirts too, I think. We got
Big drip.
we got a slap.
Oh, I love that.
I like these guys.
That is awesome. I love it.
And a
That
few
is
more.
really, really
2XL.
Oh,
More stickers.
that's
For someone to put this much time and just creativity into anything, it's just amazing.
what I'm saying. Good for you. You obviously must appreciate both print, design, and car culture, and I do too. So I appreciate you.
Keep them coming, and go support the homie right here and cop some mags.
This is, I really feel
Shouts to the
like
graphic
I'm back in
design
time
team.
right now. I gotta say, I really do. And I appreciate that.
Do they look huge?
All right, Stevie. That's all you next, buddy.
My turn?
Yeah, Stevie World.
I spotted one from Croatia.
Oh, this is the Croatia one.
From Bojan Dobric.
Hello, Jimmy. I hope you got my package. I'm sending you parts for the BMW E30. I hope it'll be useful. New E30 rear subframe camber or toe correction welding kit. And trailing arm reinforcement weld on kit in my used but in good condition rear beam mounting polyurethane bush. That sounds like a lot of stuff.
Yeah. That's honestly all the stuff the E30 needs to be great.
I know. That was like the one thing I put off forever. So.
Like literally the one thing. That car has everything except for
Tier?
all this stuff.
Yeah, every that whole list. Yeah, everything on that list. Yeah.
To all the gang, and I love watching your videos. They're too good. Lots of greetings from Bojan from Croatia. Instagram profile, fast_version.
Where's Croatia?
Fast version.
Croatia is
Is it fast
Eastern
virgin
Europe.
or version?
It's Eastern
Fast
Europe,
version.
right?
Like
Virgin.
Poland? Fast version.
Russia. Jimmy, that's all you.
Oh, this is all. Wow. Okay. Got the. Oh, he gave me the grease and all.
He even labeled them.
This game.
Oh yeah, these bushings, light use.
This is the trailing arm reinforcements, and these are the camber and toe correction.
That makes sense.
I've done one set on an E30 once before, and you got to weld these on and remount the holes that are there. And
Bojan from Croatia.
Boljan, this is Boljan's way of telling me to hurry up and fix my gosh darn E30. And
Get it
trust me,
back on the streets. The streets want her back.
The streets want her back, as Stevie says. Trust me, I want her back. I want her back real bad. Now we're prepared when she gets back on the road. So thank you, bud. I really appreciate it.
all right, we got a big package. Who's doing this
Okay,
one?
and this is the snacks department of Amazon. So.
Oh, really?
So let's give it to the snack expert right here.
It's crispy as that looks.
Is there a note?
Wow, this is
Oh, they got beef jerky.
Archie, get back here.
Just got
I'm
one.
glad you came back. Came to your senses. I know where you live, kid.
Whoever sent this got good taste. What do we got here?
There's no note. A gift from Trevor Martin. Enjoy your gift. Trevor Martin. Thanks, Trevor Martin. I'm going to enjoy these very much. Yeah, is that a thing of Oreos?
Oh, double stuff, baby.
That's my
Fruit roll-ups.
Okay, who else agrees that double stuff should just be like the standard?
It should be the
who
standard.
Wants regular stuff?
What is this?
Who else wants
This is going to be for the Drift event on August 14th, this whole box.
It'll be all
Why?
gone.
No. Jimmy's mom will bring more. We can eat these now.
You're right.
Guys, I'm supposed to be losing weight, not fine, gaining weight.
Yes.
Mushroom.
I don't remember these being this difficult to open.
What is that?
I'm pretty sure that's a pepperoni. Isn't that what it was?
Oh,
Yeah,
it's the
it's a
pizza
pizza.
joint.
You got a pizza joint.
Oh, all
Bro,
right.
how do I honestly remember that from like 18 years ago?
I don't know what's going on, but Trevor, thank you, homeboy. We appreciate it.
No, right there.
Stevie, give him some backup. Come on.
Disclaimer, my reading is not that great. Nissan R200 4.6 to get the Civic ready and get more rowdy. We sell Nissan gears. IG
No
at
way.
get to gear rowdy.
Hold on, show him the Insta real quick.
We got an RP right there?
Is this what I think it is?
Get
then?
gear to get rowdy.
We got an RP right here, kid?
Bro. Bro. The cheat code. The cheat code. The 4.6 gearing for the 240 disc,
Shout
baby.
out, baby.
This is it. This is it. You want?
Flash, ring and pinion.
Bro. I'm telling you. So the stock diff gear ratio is a 409, right? That's correct, is it?
Yeah, I believe
408,
It's a
409.
408, right? This is a front diff gear from an Xterra, I think it
I
is.
believe so, yeah.
And this brings it to a 4.6, and I'm telling you, it is the cheat code. It has always done me so well. I had it in my previous SR setup. I have it in my hatch now. And then we got Get Gears, Get Rowdy, Instagram right there, who I guess sources these.
Get gears to get rowdy.
That's what it is. And dude, this is the cheat code, and I'm telling you, this will be nice for the
I
Civic.
remember when we put this in your SR.
Dude, it's
the
a whole
first
different car.
time.
Whole
And it was
different
like,
car.
third gear.
Yeah, third gear. Yeah, right. So, dude, this is the cheat code. I am. These aren't easy to get.
Shout out to them.
Shout out to them. Is there like a name, or is it just their company?
I think it's just at Get Gears to Get Rowdy.
I want y'all to know about that company right there. Shouts
That's
to them.
it. Yo, so check them out. If you guys have an S13, stock KA, stock SR, I don't give a crap. Check it out. The 4.6, the 4.3. It is the cheat code. I'm telling you. You saw it keeping up with the Chaser, right? 4.6, baby.
Soft hands.
Soft hands. Baseball.
Don't. Is there a note? Don't look at it.
Don't you?
That looks like it was fragile.
Hey everyone, I hope there is something in this package for everyone can enjoy. There is a separate box of miscellaneous snacks just to know that was supposed to be a part of this farewell from Trevor.
There we go. See, we
Wait,
were
this is Trevor
Martin.
He's
Back at
out.
it
He's
again.
done with you?
Is it a golden snitch?
No, it's better.
This is my
No, open it.
That's cool. That is cool. Yeah. All right, RJ, I'll let you reveal it.
Shit! You should just get a shit ton of socks.
Ooh, some impact.
That's big. He said one for everyone. I get to 17.
It's a shift knob.
There we go.
6. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
What's your favorite Dragon Ball?
4.
Everyone,
It's a
wants
4-star. Everyone's a 4-star.
RJ has been dying to find a new car, and well, maybe he should buy a car just to put the shit
I
knob
know
in it.
which one this is going on.
Oh yeah, we have an idea, don't we?
Stay tuned.
And where's that socket set? Give me that. I'm gonna lock it away.
Right,
Hopefully better than you like
Yo,
it.
G-Hawk spilled them everywhere.
Trevor, you're the man. This is awesome. So right here we have the Import Works, and these are our homies, a detail supply company. They keep hooking us up, so let's see what they sent this time.
Hey guys, saw the ride's getting a little dusty again,
All right. Then.
per usual. Hope this helps you guys keep your cars clean on the road. Thank you for the great content. Please keep it up. And discount code
20% off. Importworks.com. Jimmy O. I'm telling you, dude, their wheel cleaner, like nothing else.
All right, here we go. Air freshener,
Love it. Some swag.
bunch of stickers.
Ooh. Keep forgetting them.
These things go for a premium these days.
Jeez. Oh, boys, can't wait to dirty these things up.
I was about to say, don't give one to Brian.
This thing would be dirty by the time Brian left here.
No. No.
Then we got
Last but not least,
quick detail.
RJ. Yes.
Quick detail. See,
Yes.
this is my favorite because like this is like the cheat code because like oh man I want to wash the
No, this
car.
one's
Just a
yours.
quick little wipe it down. It's washed.
Oh wait, this one's got your new one.
They're labeled.
Oh.
This one's yours.
There we go.
All 3 of them might as well be mine because I'm the only one who cleans the cars in the shop.
Thanks,
Which
RJ.
one?
Yes. Honestly, you guys might as well send Drew one because he keeps stealing ours.
Shout out to Import Works for always keeping us stocked on the supplies.
And keeping the rides looking good. I mean, I'll take half the credit.
All right, guys, so today was a quick one, but we had an amazing time. Thank you guys so much for always sending us stuff and just being such supportive subscribers. If you guys want to be a part of it, P.O. Box always in the description. Send us anything you want, something creative, something funny, something useful, something gross that we can make Josh eat, right? Look, he wants it. I can see it on his face. But once again, that concludes another segment of Sub Mail. And like I always say, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And
anybody?
Good night. Bye.